back down in the same spot we were yesterday, and the birds are pretty fired up. There's a couple of them right there, a couple of them down the hill that are within 150, maybe 200 yards, and a couple on the neighboring piece, and they're just kind of scattered all over this morning. So came into up on a top field. It's all really green, lush grass, and got the decoys set up, tucked back into a cedar tree on a fence row. We'll see what happens. I don't know if we're going to get anything to fly in to the field and come right in, but that bird down the hill's pretty fired up, so hopefully after he does his thing off the roost, he'll make his way up here. That's the plan. So we're in it for the long haul this morning. Hopefully all the hard work and persistence pays off. We'll see. That worked absolutely perfect. That Tom was, he was roosted down the hill all by himself, and there was a hen up here. And he gobbled a couple times. I yelped at him. He hung up there about 100 yards for a long time. And finally, this hen actually walked up past my decoys, and he saw her and came right in, ran right into the avians, jumped on top of the Jake. I shot him right off his back. So that's awesome. I'm gonna go get him. All right, let's go get him. That's the setup right there. Just tucked into a fence row on this cedar tree. And he was roosted probably in that big tree right there. Gobbled like 3 or 4 times, and that's all she wrote. But HDR pretty bad. Had a hen right there, and then the actual hen was roosted in there and walked right into the decoy. So let's take a look at him. Not a big body bird, but he's got some hooks. Big rope on him. Big old head, but that's one nice bird. Came in perfect. Couldn't ask for a better hunt this morning. Gobbled 4 or 5 times on the roost. Flew down, gobbled twice. I watched him pop up over the hill, and he kind of hung out there at 150 yards, 100 yards for about 10 minutes, and finally there was another hen down here, and she actually walked past my decoys and brought him right in. As soon as he saw her walking away, he came running in, jumped on the avian Jake off the breeding hen and beat him up pretty bad. And the way my season's been, I was going to let him play a little bit, but I shot him right off the back of the decoy. So my turkey season's now over, and I don't have to stress about it anymore.